कभी आँच नहीं आने दूंगा, रखूंगा उन्हें निगाहों में। मेरी आन के लिए, मेरी शान के लिए तूने हंस के दे दी अपनी जान। तुझे भूलेगा ना तेरा हिंदुस्तान, 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 तेरा हिंदुस्तान, तेरा हिंदुस्तान, तेरा हिंदुस्तान।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to this evening today to pay our tribute to all the heroes of Kargil, all those who ensured that we stay safe within our country and can do whatever we are supposed to do within the nation. They laid down their lives, and this is their story today. I thank you all for joining in today and joining me in paying this tribute. I have been conducting these talks for the last 10 years. Normally, I would do them in an arena, in a stadium, but because of the COVID, now we are on the electronic media. So here we go, the story of Kargil. We have the members of 54 NDA, which is my course, the officers of 54 NDA. The songs are sung by them, and also one or two of my other civilian friends who have contributed to make this story alive today. The first tribute is by Group Captain Samir Shah of 54 NDA.
कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का ना हमने झुकने दिया। मरते मरते रहा बागपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है, मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जान तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
This is the story of Kargil. The war started on 3rd of May and lasted till 26th of July 1999. The Josh and the Jazba was such that the statement which came out only was, "I only regret that I have but one life to lay down for the country." The Indian Army, the Indian Air Force, and the Indian Navy all took part in this operation. The Army named it Operation Vijay, the Indian Air Force as Operation Safed Sagar, and the Indian Navy as Operation Talwar. The Kargil War Memorial here in Kargil, and this is where we pay respect to all those who laid down their lives to safeguard our freedom. The second tribute is from Lieutenant General Tiwari, once again a member of 54 NDA.
I am Lieutenant General Rajiv Tiwari, and this is my tribute to the Kargil war heroes. ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तेरे दामन से जो आए उन हवाओं को सलाम। तेरे दामन से जो आए उन हवाओं को सलाम। चूम लूं मैं उस जुबान को जिस पे आए तेरा नाम। सबसे प्यारी सुबह तेरी, सबसे रंगी तेरी शाम, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू, और कभी नन्ही सी बेटी बन के याद आता है तू। जितना याद आता है तू, उतना तड़पाता है तू। तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान।
$527 brave men lost their lives, and more than 1,360 people were grievously injured during this operation. And my friend Narinder has this to say to them.
चलते भी गए, कहते भी गए, आजादी के परवाने। जीना तो उसी का जीना है, जो मरना वतन पे जाने। वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जाकर लुटा जाएंगे। फूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों पे, हम पेट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जाकर लुटा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन कोई पंजाब से, कोई महाराष्ट्र से, कोई यूपी से है, कोई बंगाल से। तेरी पूजा की थाली पे लाए हैं हम, तेरी पूजा की थाली पे लाए हैं हम। फूल हर रंग के, फूल हर डाल के। नाम कुछ भी सही पर लगन एक है, ज्योत से ज्योत दिल की जगा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जाकर लुटा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन
This is the war that upheld the pride of the nation, the war that showed the world that we will not tolerate infiltration. It was a befitting reply to our neighbor who tried to enter our nation. This war was fought in Jammu and Kashmir. We all are familiar with the map of our nation. And we have the line of control with the red dots, and the bright spot in the center, that is where Kargil is. The area of operation was from Dras, Kargil to Batali. The area is about 15 to 18,000 feet high. Normally, as we go above 10,000 feet, the breathing becomes very, very difficult. All these mountains during the winter are snow-capped, and the temperatures plummet down to anywhere between -20 to -30 degrees. It is here that these brave soldiers fought. Look at the cliffs. These are the type of cliffs that they had to climb to encounter and to take care and defeat the enemy. They had to hang on ropes and still achieve their target. There is a fear here, the enemy can see you. But the single Josh there was full Josh, and they were very clear that to safeguard the nation, they will either kill or die for the nation. Why it was important, why Pakistan wanted to do this? If you see the blue line, that is the National Highway 1. The National Highway 1 right from Jammu to Srinagar to Leh. And if you notice where Kargil and Kaskar in the top are, the line of control and the National Highway are very close. If the enemy was to sit on these peaks, which is what they were trying to do, they would have cut off the National Highway here. And then we would have had a great difficulty in maintaining Leh and Ladakh area. The enemy had all intentions of cutting Leh and Ladakh off from us. This is a very critical area for India. And here is a tribute by Pooja Bhaku.
Hi everyone, this is Pooja Bhaku, and here's my tribute to the Kargil war heroes.
जो लौट के घर न आए।
जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर वो खून हिंदुस्तानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
This is the map, and I'll give you a rundown as to what happened and what is the sequence of events which happened there. It was on 3rd of May that the first time the intruders were noticed by some shepherds in the Batalik area. On 6th of May, we sent out a patrol, and the army patrol noticed 9 or 10 infiltrators east of Batalik. On 7th May, the Pak artillery fires on the Indian patrol. 8th May, there were clashes between the troops and the infiltrators. And on 9th of May, heavy Pakistani shelling damaged the ammo dump in Kargil. 10th to 14th May, there was a fierce battle between the infiltrators, and they were also noticed that there were many more infiltrators in Mashko, in Kaskar, and in Batalik.
इसका बक्सा था
In Batalik area. The flushing out operation started on 14th. Notice there were roughly about 400 infiltrators waiting to cross over. Normally, when infiltration takes place, it is never in such large number. It is then that the country realized that there was something more than infiltration. This was not an infiltration. This was an attack on our country. On 21st of May, in support to the army, a Canberra was sent with Squadron Leader Perumal and Squadron Leader Jha to carry out a photo recce. While carrying out the photo recce in the Batalik area marked here in red, they realized that there was much more than what is normal built up. And this is the area where they were hit by a shoulder-fired missile. Terrorists normally do not carry such weapons. Squadron Leader Perumal, with his vast experience, flew the aircraft back to Srinagar and landed there. It was the next day that my unit was tasked to do the same task, which is a photo recce task. We were informed initially that it was just a photo recce task, but slowly and slowly information came in that it was much more than a normal infiltration.
जाबाज हम चले छूने आसमां चले अपनी तो बस यही उड़ान है बड़ी शान से चले अभिमान से चले अपनी तो बस यही पहचान है ये आसमां
Our mission was flown all along the national highway, but suspecting that we will be not allowed to do our task because of the enemy air, we requested for escorts, and MiG-29s escorted us right from Srinagar till the time we finished the mission. We were obviously also armed, and we carried all anti-missile systems with us. At the end of the mission, we had picked up 35 such targets, which could be potential points where the enemy was. And on 25th of May, the Cabinet Committee of Security authorized the Indian Air Force to mount attacks on the infiltrators, but without crossing the line of control. This story is about the men that lead the most heroic battle with their troops and showed the trespassers the taste of defeat. This is what they said: "If I die in a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my medals on my chest. Tell my mom that I did my best." And here is a tribute by Sunil Baku to these warriors.
Hi everyone, my name is Sunil Baku. This is my tribute to the Kargil war heroes. ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओए रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओए रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे बसंती चोला। हम निकले इस देश की खातिर, बस इतना अरमान है। हम निकले इस देश की खातिर, बस इतना अरमान है। एक बार इस राह पे मरना 100 जन्मों के समान है। एक वीरों की कुर्बानी, एक वीरों की कुर्बानी, अपना दिल भी बोला, मेरा रंग है बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओए रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे बसंती चोला। जिस चोले को पहने शिवाजी खेले अपनी जान पे, जिस चोले को पहने शिवाजी खेले अपनी जान पे, जिसे पहन झांसी की रानी मिट गई अपनी आन पे, आज उसी को पहन के निकला, पहन के निकला, आज उसी को पहन के निकला हम मस्तों का टोला, मेरा रंग है बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे बसंती चोला।
The men, we see them marching on the Rajpath every year. It is these men who then changed into fatigues, into their battle dresses, and then moved forward. The Josh is indicated here.
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड। सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। कृष्ण की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है। जीत की हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। चंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
मौत अंत है नहीं. Saurav Kalia, he was leading the first patrol which encountered the infiltrators east of Batalik. He and his platoon were captured, and for 22 days they were tortured. Their bodies were thrown back into the Indian territory, mutilated, burned, with their eyes gouged out. But these people paid for our freedom. A young 22-year-old, just commissioned, who had not even yet received his first salary. The Indian soldier fights for his country and not for the salary. The battle which changed the face of the war, 32 days of hell, the Tololing battle, the Tololing Heights. It was on 13th of June that Colonel Ravindranath commanding sent a simple message to his boss. I am on Tololing top. This is a place which claimed many Major Adhikari, Captain Vivek Gupta, Colonel Vishwanathan, accounted for nearly more than half the dead in the war. This is a place which was sitting right on top of the 510 kilometer Srinagar-Leh highway. Tololing was right on bang on top of it. And here is a tribute by Anil Vora, Group Captain Anil Vora of the
Hi, this is Group Captain A.K. Vora, and today on Kargil Day, this is my tribute for all the war heroes of Kargil. तलवारों पे सलवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हम सजाया है. अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सो दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे. मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कहीं रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
And this is about Grenadier Jogendra Singh Yadav, the youngest Paramveer Chakra, a young man of 19 years old who had just got married and come back to his unit, part of the Ghatak platoon. Instrumental in the win at Tiger Hill. 21 of them set out to scale this hill from a nearly impossible side. 7 of them reached the top with roughly about 70 enemy soldiers on top of the hill. And once they reached there, the fierce fighting started. Nearly 35 of the enemy were shot down. Yes, all 7 of them were also shot. 6 of them died. Jogendra Singh Yadav took 3 bullets and lay among the dead. The enemy was now deciding what to do. They wanted to attack our forces. That is the time Jogendra Singh decided that he is still alive and he is going to do something. He takes out a grenade and throws it at an enemy member who had come to shoot all of them again, even though they were presumed to be dead. And then he started firing, and the enemy thought that an attack had happened. He had a broken arm. He put that arm in a sling behind and rolled down the hill right up to his unit, where he informed his commanding officer about the enemy's plan, and then fell unconscious, regaining consciousness only 3 days later in a military hospital. The commanding officer took immediate action, and that day, Tiger Hill was won. This is Jogendra, a 19-year-old boy who created a change in history. I can continue with the stories about Lieutenant Manoj Pandey, a young man of 24 years who took on the Jubar top. 4 bunkers he destroyed, and in hand-to-hand combat, he killed 11 enemy soldiers. And this is a tribute once again by Pooja and Sunil. Hi. Captain Vijayan Thapar, 22 years. And notice, this is the last letter that he wrote to his family. What he writes, I have no regrets. In fact, even if I become a human again, I will join the army and fight for my nation. If you can, please come and see where the Indian army fought for your tomorrow. A young man of 24 years. Notice the jazba, the strength, the pride. And here is Captain Vikram Batra. During the time of Kargil, there used to be an ad of Coke, and the tagline used to be Ye Dil Mange More. Vikram Batra made that his tagline. And he said, I will either come back after raising the Indian flag in victory or return wrapped in it. Unfortunately, he came back wrapped in it. Just before the final attack, this is what two friends talked about. Gale lago yaar, na jaane kaun si mulaqat aakhri ho. This was between Captain Naveen and Captain Vikram. Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra, was part of the Delta team who took over point 4875. Next to Tiger Hill, he was killed on 7th July. The Charlie team was led by Captain Anuj Nair. And here is a tribute by another coastmate, Captain Sandeep Chakrabarti.
Namaskar, I am Group Captain S.K. Chakrabarti of 54th NDA. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया। मरते मरते रहा पाकपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं, मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खून से नहाती नहीं। आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। राह कुर्बानियों की नवीरान हो, तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले। फतेह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है, जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले। बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
This is the Kargil War Memorial. 527 brave men laid their lives so that we can live in peace. 1,367 were grievously wounded. This is a tribute to all those who made sure that we have our freedom with us. A little technical hitch. Just please give me a second. This is the war which will go down in history as a glorious victory for India. July 26, 1999 will go down in the annals of Indian history as the day when the determined Indian forces achieved a glorious victory on the Pakistani army. And here is a message: when you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow, we gave our today. The war has not stopped. Kargil is over. But even today, there are many, many young men who are guarding our borders. There are many of them who are sacrificing all that they have and are making the ultimate sacrifice and laying down their lives so that we can stay safe at home. Many people ask me this question: how can you pay a tribute to these heroes who sacrificed their lives so that we could live? And here is all that I have to say to them: by being good citizens, nothing else. By making sure that the country comes first, always and every time. And here is what my coastmate, Colonel Jayachandran, has to say.
Greetings on the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, which is observed today to commemorate the Indian victory over Pakistan on the icy heights of Kargil in 1999. We lost 527 soldiers and another 1,363 were wounded. Let us today remember and salute those brave souls for the sacrifice they made in protecting the integrity of a nation's borders. It is said that you have never lived unless you have almost died. For those who chose to fight, life has a special flavor which the protected will never know. Let us today, on this solemn occasion, take a pledge to be worthy citizens of a great nation. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, all I have to say today as I come toward the closing part of this presentation. This is an occasion for us to pay our tribute to all those who laid down their lives. But this is also an occasion for us to all make a resolve, like Colonel Jayachandran said, to be good citizens, to make sure that our country becomes great. Many people, many countries will eye us. Yes, there will be a China. Yes, there will be a Pakistan. Yes, there will be others. But let us be the strength of our nation. Let us be the one who build our nation, who protect our nation. At this moment, I want to thank all of you who have joined us today, this evening, for spending your valuable time in joining me in paying this tribute to those war heroes. I also want to remind you that the war is still on. The battles are still on. Support them. Support those young men, whether they are in Kashmir, whether they are anywhere, who are trying to make sure that we are safe. Be their strength. Don't bring down their morale. Thank you very much, everybody. And all I can say at this moment is Jai Hind and all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hey, Ashwini, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Meghna.
Hi,
Great show, wonderful.
Thank you all.
All the best, everyone. 54. Long live. Ashwini, great show, yeah. Very nice.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Wonderful.
Yes, Ashwini, great show. Thank you for sending me the link, and I did get in there midway.
Thank you, Meghna.
Meghna.
Yes.
Ashwini, thanks a lot for a tremendous show. A very good effort by you and by your force. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great. Yes, 54.
Yes.
Well done, Ashwini. Very well done.
Hi, Kavita. Hello.
Thank you, Ashwini. This is a wonderful show. Great going, 54th. Keep it up.
Thank you very much, 54, for being all your support.
Hi,
Hi,
Ashwini.
Shreeks.
Excellent show. Hats off to 54.
Chaku, Sever, hello, bye. Bye,
Bye,
Goldie.
bye.
Bye,
Bye.
see you. Bye, Ashwini.
Bye.
Great
Bye,
show,
Ashwini.
Ashwini. Take care. Nice
Take
thinking.
Bye,
care.
Hari.
Bye-bye.
Pucha walaya. Hi. Hi, Shreeks.
Yes,
Hi, how are you?
Hi,
Nice
hi.
to see you,
Bye.
man.
Thanks.
Great singing, Goldie. Take care. Chat.
Devra,
Lovely
Again
man.
and again.
good morning.
Links. Thanks, Baku.
Thank you.
Bye. All the
Ciao,
best.
bye-bye.
Ashwini, all the best. See you. We'll catch up on phone.
Yes, sure. Bye-bye. Jax, bye-bye. Thank you, Jax.
Welcome, welcome.
Well sung.
Hi, thank you, Sigi, and thank you, Baku.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ashwini. Good show.
Thank you.
Hey, Tiger.
Thank you, Ashwini. We made it.
Ashwini, Stanford.
Yes, Punekar, you finally made it.
All late arrivals.
Goldie, thank you very much. I know I troubled you a lot.
Yeah, सारा दिन गाना गवाता रहा.
Chakravarti, thanks a lot for your good song.
Well sung, Goldie. Well sung.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you,
A
thank you.
great tribute to the
Now,
heroes.
I have a small new pet known as Karo. Even she knows all the Deshbhakti Gana. She was just beside me and she knew Mere Desh ki dharti sona ugle. Thank you.
Ashwini, great show. And Goldie, as young as ever.
Thank you, thank you. Katoch, Cat, thanks.
हेलो घोड़ा घोड़ा
Hi, oh hi, क्या हाल है? कैसे
बस
हो?
ठीक हो
Good to he sang a very good song.
हाँ
अंजलि,
also.
इतनी लेट
even
क्यों
you
आए?
also you also
मच्छी फ्राई कर रहे थे क्या? इतनी देर से आए?
Ashwini, all the best. Yeah, you just made it. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for introducing us also. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye, Jax. Bye, Cat.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye, Ashwini. Bye. Thank you, Ashwini.
Bye.
Bye.
Run a day. Run a day.
Bye, Ashwini. Bye. Take care.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Goodbye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you for making sure we stay safe. Thank you to
Thank you very
everybody.
much. Bye-bye.
Hey, Ashwini, thanks for the great initiative.
Thank you. Thanks. Thanks, Ramesh. Nice to see you.
Bye,
You
Ashwini.
know,
Great initiative. A big thanks to you and big salute to you.
thank you, Sergi. Thank you very much. Thanks. Thanks, Ramesh. Okay, guys, I am closing off now. Thank you very much. And bye and good night to everybody.
Bye. Good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you so much, Ashwini. We enjoyed. The program was very, very nice, very well organized.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good organ.